Hey, I heard Lois talking about the menstrual cycle, and I thought, what even is that? Is it like a car routine, but for people? Okay, serious question. Why does the body do this monthly dance? Like, who's organizing it? All right, here's what I figured out. The menstrual cycle is a regular series of changes in a person's reproductive system driven by hormones. It's usually about 28 days on average, but it can be shorter or longer. It starts with the menstrual phase. That's when bleeding happens because the lining of the uterus, called the endometrium, sheds if there isn't a fertilized egg. So what starts the whole thing again? Well, hormones from the brain, FSH and LH from the pituitary, tell the ovaries to get busy. In the follicular phase, follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, helps a few ovarian follicles grow, and one typically becomes dominant and prepares an egg. Estrogen rises and helps rebuild the uterine lining, kind of like repainting the wall for a house guest. When does the egg actually leave the ovary? Around ovulation, usually mid-cycle, like day 14 in a 28-day cycle. A surge in luteinizing hormone LH triggers the egg's release. That's the fertile window, a few days before and after ovulation, when pregnancy is most likely if sperm meets the egg. Then what? After ovulation, the luteal phase begins. The leftover follicle becomes the corpus luteum and makes progesterone. Progesterone keeps the uterine lining thick so a fertilized egg can implant. If no fertilization happens, progesterone falls, the lining sheds, and the cycle starts over. So many moving parts, hormones talking to each other all month. Why do some people have cramps, mood changes, or irregular cycles? Things like hormone levels, stress, health conditions, and body weight can change how the cycle feels and how regular it is. Last question. How can people track or manage it? Tracking symptoms and cycle days helps predict ovulation and spotting issues. Healthcare can help with irregularities, contraception, or fertility concerns. Okay, final thought. If the body's this complicated and coordinated, shouldn't I be nicer to Lois during certain phases?